Now question 3. So in question 3 you're given the voltage and the resistance, you have to calculate the current. So again we use Ohm's law. Okay, you find the current, so I is V over R. So I is 10K, be careful, it's 10K, so that's 10,000 over 5,000. I is going to be 2. In this one, I is 20 over, again, 1,000, 2,000. So I, so you cancel 1, so the 2 is going to cancel as well, so you're left with 1 over 100, which is 0.01 amps. Last one, you have 3 millivolts, so 3 milli, 10 minus 3, okay, over 3, so I is 0.001, or you can write that amps, or I is 1 milliamps. Okay. Question 4, find the voltage in each case. So voltage, that's Ri. So again, here it's more to work on the units as well. So V in that first one will be 5, be careful, 1,000 kilo by 2. So that's 10,000 volts. Or you can write 10 kilovolts as well if you want. Second one, R is 3,000 times 0.002, 10 minus 3, and you have 2, and you do 10 minus 3, you take the decimal point, 1, 2, 3, so you end up with 0.002. So what does this give me? Give me 3 times 2, because these cancel each other, the 1,000 cancel 3 minus 3. So I'm left with 6 volts. Last one, V is equal to Ri, that's 5 times 3 with 10 minus 3. Now, you can convert it like that, or you can use your calculator, and your calculator will give you the right answers if you enter 310 minus 3. This time, there's no cancelling like in this one, so you end up with 0.015 volt. Question 5. 2 amps of current are flowing through a 10 ohm resistor. How much voltage does the source produce? Well, here it's the same thing again, it's just the question is in English as opposed to just be given values like here. So you have 2 amps, so and you have to make sure you know what you're speaking about. So 2 amps, which means that you're given the current. 10 ohm, you're given R. How much voltage you're looking for? V. So V is equal to Ri. So V is 10 times I is 50 volts.